I have come to the conclusion that everybody is not meant to be rich. Everybody is not meant to have the success that they see other people having. You know why that is? Because everybody doesn't do what it takes to attain those riches. They don't do what it takes to get to that level of success. They continue to do the same thing they have been doing, which is the same shit that leads them to the same experiences. Stop blaming other people for your flaws. Stop blaming other people for why you can't get ahead. It's time that you figure out what it is that you want and do the necessary things to help you get to the next level. That's the only way that it's going to happen. You can't be mad at somebody else, wishing on their downfall. You can't be mad at someone else's success, thinking that it's going to take away from your success. Because there's plenty of abundance for all of us. But many people don't think that it's capable. They don't think that it's possible. They don't think that you can have success and I can also have success as well. They think it's this crabs in a bucket mentality that has to continue to keep on perpetuating throughout the abyss. And that's false. Okay? Anybody can get to this money. Anybody can have desired success. It only and solely depends on if you want it. How much of it do you want? How much work are you going to put in to get it? How much sacrificing? People don't want to sacrifice. You hold on to the little bit of money you do have, thinking that you holding on to it is going to get you ahead. But it doesn't. It's a stagnation. Holding on to money is a form of stagnation. You have to learn to let it breathe. Your money should be working more than you work out. Some of you work out in a gym for hours and your money is stagnant. Now, how does that make sense? You got the sexiest body in the world, but you're broke as shit. How does that make sense? Help me understand. Do you really want the success that you claim you want? I mean, because if you apply the same time that you put in to getting your body right, to getting your money right, then you would see the results in your financial department. You would see the riches. I used to sell life insurance, and you have a lot of people who said that they wanted to be top insurance agent, but none of them ever did the work that it takes to be a top insurance agent. I was a top insurance agent because I lived it, I breathed it. I lived it and I breathed it. It was my life. I would wake up studying how to close deals. I would be driving in my car listening to Brian Tracy, the mindset of a prospect. I would be doing anything and everything to help accelerate me because I wanted the success. If you want it that bad, you have to do what it takes. Stop fucking cutting yourself short. Stop thinking that everything is going to be handed to you, because I'm not handing you shit. Neither is the universe. You are going to have to make a decision to say, okay, I'll reload it. I'm going to do what I got to do. But people don't. They just sit up there mad, doing the same thing they've been doing and thinking somebody is going to hand them something from above and just bless you with it. Now, sometimes blessings do come, but these types of blessings in the financial department, you have to work towards it, because you can attain riches, but you also have to be able to maintain it. How are you going to keep it growing? How are you going to pass it down generationally? See, most people don't even think about that. They think about the now, the present moment, when you should be thinking about your future self. Get some life insurance if you don't have it, because you're thinking about your future self and you're also thinking about the generations underneath you. I'm tired of seeing people out here raising money for funerals because they don't have the mindset to think ahead of time and get life insurance. I mean, that's a nest egg of money that you can pass on to your kids, but you ain't thinking that way. You're not even thinking about why you should be making certain moves to get ahead. You don't think about investing in cryptocurrency. Why? Because you're scared to put your money to work. You're holding on to the little $100, $200. You got to put that shit to work. I started with $5,000. That $5,000 had grown to 7 figures, and it will continue to grow. You know why? Because I keep putting in that work. And I know you're probably watching the video. Oh, who the hell you think he is? He out here bragging and boasting. Ain't nobody bragging and boasting, because I come from nothing, and I help people who come from nothing change their lives, and we're doing it. We've been doing it. Now the question is, do you want your life changed? Do you want to do what it takes? And that all falls on you.